Okay, let's get started with the setup of our first retargeting campaign. As you remember, the first step in the process is to get a retargeting pixel installed. It's a JavaScript code that you will have to paste on your website, and I will show you the first steps of basically how to do it. So, make sure to log into your Facebook ads account for demonstration purposes. I have set up a brand new account. So in case you're starting out with Facebook and you've never ever set up an ad before, this is how it would look like. So what you have to do next is to click on Tools and select the option Audiences. Next, I want you to click on Custom Audiences. So click here on Create a Custom Audience. And now we have the option to select from 3 different custom sub audiences. So we can either upload our customer list, like our emails from our customers, phone numbers, Facebook IDs. This is what we'll not focus in this training. What we'll focus on is this option here, website traffic. As it says, create a list of people who visit your website or view specific web pages. This is what we want to do. This is the retargeting function inside Facebook. So let's click on this. Well, we will have to accept the terms and conditions. If you want, you can just read through it. And next, just click on Create Custom Audience Pixel. Okay, so this is a JavaScript code that you will have to paste on your website. Just copy paste this one. And it's really, really easy to do. If you want to learn how to get it done and you want to do it yourself, click on the Help Center. We can do that and just open it in a new tab. And Facebook will provide you with all sorts of information how to do it manually. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy to do. What you can also do is send the code to a website developer. So you can just enter here the email address and then include the personal message like, hey, I'd ask you to include the custom audience pixel, the retargeting pixel. I want you to paste it into my website. In case you don't want to do it yourself, don't worry about it. In the next video, I will show you one of my favorite resources to get the custom audience pixel, the retargeting pixel included into your website by someone else. And in case you don't want to do it, you will absolutely love this resource.